In this section, you learned about the foundational concepts and importance of cyber threat intelligence, emphasizing its role in identifying, analyzing, and mitigating cyber threats. The discussion included the different types of threat intelligence: tactical, operational, strategic, and their applications in enhancing cybersecurity postures. You examined how AI technologies have revolutionized threat intelligence gathering by automating data collection, processing large data sets, and identifying patterns indicative of potential threats more efficiently than traditional methods. Delving into theoretical models and techniques, you explored frameworks such as the cyber kill chain, diamond model, and MITRE ATT&CK, which provide structured approaches to understanding and responding to cyber threats. These models help in mapping out attacker behaviors, predicting potential threats, and devising appropriate defense strategies. The lessons also covered various AI techniques, including machine learning, natural language processing, and anomaly detection, which are utilized to enhance the precision and speed of threat detection. Case studies and real-world applications illustrated practical implementations of AI-driven threat intelligence, showcasing successes and challenges faced by organizations. These examples provided insights into best practices, innovative solutions, and the tangible impact of integrating AI into CTI efforts. You also reviewed incidents where AI successfully thwarted cyber attacks, emphasizing the critical role of continuous improvement and adaptation in cybersecurity practices. Looking toward the future, discussions on emerging trends highlighted the growing sophistication of AI and CTI, the potential for greater automation, and the challenges posed by adversarial AI. This forward-looking perspective underscored the necessity for ongoing research, collaboration, and skill development to keep pace with evolving threats. Overall, you gained a comprehensive understanding of AI-driven threat intelligence, equipped with the knowledge to apply theoretical models, leverage AI techniques, and anticipate future developments in the field. This section provided a solid foundation for recognizing the importance of proactive threat intelligence in safeguarding digital environments.